Digitalization is all around us, touching each part of our lives. We are living in a digital decade, but when you really need to access important information, like details about the facility space which was built 15 years ago, this becomes almost impossible. Buying a house or commercial facility becomes a lottery without knowing what is hidden behind the walls. And 97% of existing buildings have no complete documentation nor exact 3D models. Within a few years after construction, so many changes have been made and most of the original construction drawings are not updated by anyone. Site photos from the construction process are often lost as well.
During construction of any facility, there are many, sometimes hundreds of contractors, architects, designers, engineers, investors, tradespeople, owners, laborers, all involved in the process. Some of them may have an engineering background and are able to interpret drawings and specifications, some of them not. Some are using 3D modeling software, others are using disconnected spreadsheets, emails, mobile phones, and photos to exchange information and manage their workflow. The information flow is quite unorganized, and there's no single cross-sector toolkit that can manage all of this information effectively. We need a communication platform that will gather cross-sector information and visualize construction tasks, allowing us to address exact outstanding issues in a very natural and intuitive digital form, using 3D models that are available to every member of the team.
Today, the ability to capture actual conditions of facilities has rapidly expanded utilizing many technologies. At SIMLAB, we will develop a solution leveraging today's digital technology to create a 3D timeline of any facility, a graphical story which documents the full life cycle and details of the building.
This data may be 3D scanned and captured with a standard cell phone. It will be stored in the cloud and will be attached to the facility, allowing a building owner 20 years later to see pipe installations inside the walls, insurance companies to verify claim legitimacy, the future investor to check the quality of the building, and a way to document the aging process of the facility.